Okay, starting with question number 21. Look at the question. It is said that a man is twice as old as his son. So the age of man is dependent on the age of son. So take the age of son be, let the age of son be x. So the age of man would be what? Age of man will be 2x, okay, because here it is said that twice as old as his son. Now 20 years ago, so write down here, 20 years ago son's age would be x minus 20, because if the present age is 30, so 20 years ago the age would be 10, means minus 20, and man's age would be 2x minus 20. Fine. Now by the problem, it is said that 20 years ago the age of man was 12 times. So age of man means this one is equals to 12 times the age of sun. So we have got the linear equation. Solve it. 2x minus 20 is equals to 12x minus 240. Next 2x minus 12x is equals to minus 240 plus 20. This will give minus 10x is equals to minus 220. This 0 will get cancelled out and this minus will also get cancelled out, and the answer would be x equals to 22. It means that the son's age was 22 years and the man's age was 2 into 22, that is 44 years. Moving to next question. A man is 28 years old as than his son. So here also the age of man is dependent on the age of son. So take the age of son be x, let the age of son be x. So age of man will be x plus 28. After 10 years, so do the heading after 10 years, son's age will be x plus 10 and man's age will be x plus 28 plus 10, means x plus 38. Next, by the problem, it is said that he will be, means man will be thrice old as his son. So this one is equals to, sorry, x plus 38 is equals to thrice the age of son. Next, solve this equation. 3x plus 30. Pause the video and try to solve it yourself. So 30 minus 38 minus 2x equals to minus 8, minus gets cancelled out and the value of x is 8 by 2, that is 4, x equals to 4. So the age of son will be 4 years. You will write the answer like this: age of son equals to 4 years and age of man equals to how much? 4 plus 28, that is 32 years. Moving to next question, number 23. It is said that divide 184 in two parts such that one third of one part may exceed. Okay, you have to divide this 184 in two parts. So take the first part as x and the second part would be 184 minus x. Write down, let the first part is equals to x. So the second part will be 184 minus x. Now by the problem, look at this, 1/3 of one part. So 1/3 of x, this one is the first part, exceed. I have told you that in case of exceed you will use the minus sign. 1/7 of the other. So 1/7 of the other part by 8. So this is your equation. Next, solve it. 1/3 x minus 1/7 into 184. This minus and this minus will become plus 1 by 7 x is equals to 8. Next, bring the x together, plus 1 by 7 x equals to 8. Look at this, whether it will get cancelled or not. No, plus 184 by 7. Next, take the LCM. 21 So it will become 7x plus 3x equals to 7, 7 8s are 56 plus this all this calculation you will try to do it yourself, okay. 10x is equals to how much? 6 4 10, 9 10 11 12 13 14, 240 by 7, and this 21 was divide, so it will become multiply, 7 3s are 21. Next x is equals to 240 into 3 divided by 10, 10 into x na, so it will become divide, 0 0 cancelled out, so x is equal to 72. So the first part is 72, first part is 72 and the second part will be 184 minus 72. All of you will write this answer separately, okay, don't write like this, write like this, first part is equals to this and second part is equals to this, so write it yourself, 42112. So these are two answers. Okay, this was number 24 na, so correct it, number 24. Moving to next question, that is this one is 25. Question number 25. A sum of rupees 500 is in the form of rupees 5 and rupees 10. Means this is the total amount of rupees 5 and rupees 10. You have some number of rupees 5 note and some number of rupees 10. You don't know what is the number. So let us let the number of rupees 5 notes be x. So number of rupees 10 notes would be, look at this, the total number of notes is 90. This 90 is divided into rupees 5 notes and rupees 10 notes. If I take this rupees 5 notes as x, so I have to take this rupees 10 as 90 minus x. So I am writing as 90 minus x. By the problem, look at this example very carefully. If I say you have two notes of rupees 5, it means that what is the amount you have? Rupees 5 into 2, that is 10. If I say you have 15 notes of rupees 5, so the total amount would be 5 into 15, that is rupees 75. So here I have said that there are x notes of rupees 5. So the total amount would be 5x plus, and similarly with this case, 10 into 90 minus x equals to this total amount, that is rupees 500. Next 5x plus 900 minus 10x is equals to 500. Do the calculation. Minus 5x equals to 500 minus 900. Minus 5x is equals to minus 400, minus will get cancelled out, and x is equals to 400 by 5, 5 8 is 40. So the value of x is 80. It means that rupees 5 notes, the number of rupees 5 notes was 80 and rupees 10 notes was 90 minus 80, that is 10. So these are your two answers. Okay, we have missed number 23. So let us look at that sum. Sunita is 24 years older than her daughter Kavita. Okay, means Sunita, let us take the age of Kavita. Let the age of Kavita be x years. So age of Sunita will be x plus 24, because in question it is clearly said that Sunita is 24 years older. Fine. Next it is said that 6 years ago. So let us find the age of 6 years ago. 6 years ago Kavita's age will be x minus 6 and Sunita's age will be x plus 24 minus 6. So x plus 18, x plus 18. So this will be x plus 18. Next, by the problem, it is Sunita was thrice as old as Kavita. Okay, read this line very carefully. Sunita was thrice as old as Kavita. So this will be equals to thrice of Kavita. Now solve this equation. 3x minus 18, 3 into x, 3 into 6. Next bring all the x together. X minus 3x is equals to minus 18 minus 18. Minus 2x is equals to minus 36. So the value of x is 36 divided by 2, that is 18 years. It means that age of Kavita was 18 years and age of Sunita was 18 plus 24, 42 years. So these are your two answers. Let us move to next question, 26. There are some 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins in a bag and total number of coin is 30. This type of sum just we have done in number 25. So let the number of 50 paisa coins be x and 25 paisa coins be 30 minus x. This was the total number na. Out of this x are 50 paisa coin, so 30 minus x will be 25 paisa coin. By the problem, the total amount is given rupees 100. Now tell me, rupees 100 equals to how many paisa? You know that rupees 1 equals to 100 paisa. So rupees 11 will be equals to 1100 paisa. So we will use this thing. Write down 50 into x. Why? This 50 paisa into x. Similarly, plus this into this. Plus 25 into 30 minus x is equals to 1100. Okay, find out the value of x from here. 750 minus 25x is equals to 1100. This 50x minus 25x is equals to 1100 minus 750. 25x is equals to 350 and x is equals to 350 by 25. Do the cancellation. 5 4 is 20. So the value of x is 14. It means that the 50 paisa coin was 14 and the 25 paisa coin was 30 minus 14, that is 16. So you will write the answer separately. Number of 50 paisa coins equals to 14 and number of 25 paisa coin is 16. Okay, moving to next question, question number 27. It is said that a laborer is engaged for 20 days. Okay, means a laborer has been given to do some work for 20 days on the condition that he will receive for 280 for each day. If he works, he will receive 280, and if he is absent, he will be fined some charge. Okay, and will be fined for each day he is absent. What is the amount for fined? Rupees 60. Will find rupees 60 for each day he is absent. In total he receives rupees itna. So for how many days he was absent? So let us take, let the laborer remains absent for x days. Okay, remains absent for x days. So present days, what will be the present days? 20 minus x, because he was engaged for 20 days. Out of this he was absent for x day and present for 20 minus x. Fine. So for being absent he will be fined rupees 60 and for being present he will receive rupees 280. By the problem, this 280 will be multiplied with this 280 into 20 minus x minus, why minus? Because he is being fined rupees 60 for being absent. So minus 60 into x will be 2540. Next you have to solve this equation. 5600 minus 280x minus 60x is equals to 2540 minus, try to do it yourself. Okay, 00 minus 340x is equals to minus how much? 5600 2540 0 10 4 6 3060. So, the value of x is 3060 by 340, 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 3 ja, I think 17 9 ja 153. So, the value of x is 9, means he was absent for 9 days. Answer will be he was absent for 9 days.